go. I'll make a gum pasta. I think Jess will like it. We put the gum into my special machine. And then twist it until we get a very beautiful and sweet pasta. Hooray! Now, we're gonna use apple flavor. Then berries, orange, grape, and strawberry. Awesome! You know what? I will dry smiley face with berry sauce. Sweet! What do you say, Beetlejuice? What is it? Ha! That's hilarious! Let's see how she likes my booger sauce! Oh! What have you done? And what a disgusting smell! Ha! Great dish, Miley! What? The noodles have already been cooked. I think Jess will like this funny teddy bear.
Oh.
Bravo, chef! Wow, thanks a lot! But I'm not done yet. Wait. Ugh, much better. Hey! What is that? Worms? Well. Time to make my pasta for Jess. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Ha! Let's see. Let me treat her to these little bowls. Here's the sauce. Dinner is served. Miley? Come on! We actually have a challenge! Get it together! Wow! What a cutie! That's weird. Oh my gosh! Is that a booger? Ew! Disgusting! Who thought of offering me this? Eat it yourself! This is cool. Very nice. This pasta with the bear is very yummy. Oh! A cockroach! How scary! Good luck with that, chef. Oh, I was so scared. Even my appetite is gone. This pasta looks creepy, but I'm brave. Oh! It tastes good! I like it! And a gummy eye! Twice as good! Wow! I know! Beetlejuice wins! Oh yeah! Ha! Hello everyone! Do you like delicious games? Then join us and download the Multi-Do Sword on Google and Apple Store. There are rolls, cookies, and even donuts. Download it. Ugh. I want a chocolate fountain. And with sweets. Whoa. This is the right job for Beetlejuice. I'll take care of everything now. This barrel has the most sour chocolate in the world. It's been standing in my laboratory for a long time. Awesome. Let's see how Jess likes these spiders. Just don't tell anyone that's marmalade. That's creepy. I'll make a fountain out of cheese. I'll mix all the most delicious pieces together and melt it with the help of the burner. I think it will turn out very cool. I definitely not review such a thing. Whoa! Cool!
Wow!
Especially with fresh nuggets and french fries. Bon appetit, Jess. What kind of syrup should I choose? Blackberries. Perfect choice. You know what? Why choose if we can take everything? I'm sure the fountain will turn out very tasty and beautiful. Awesome! Well, here are some marshmallows to it. That's interesting! Wow! Spiders look cool! I'll try it! Well. Oh! It's so sour! What a cute fountain! I think I like it better with marshmallows. Let's give it a try. Oh, yummy! And this fountain looks like it's made of cheese. Let's get our nugget. Oh, gosh! Nuggets and cheese sauce! It's amazing! It's a blast! This is the winner! Hooray! Now! Well, I want a cupcake. Great assignment, Jess. I'll be happy to make it for you. I have an incredible cream. It is so good, and I've got more than one. Look at all of these colors. Nice. How do you like the idea of adding some chocolate? I'm sure it'll make my cupcakes even brighter and tastier.
I can't stand sweets. Cockroaches are way better. A little magic. And there will be a new cupcake. Well, it's like a little cake. I can't wait to treat Jess.
Beetlejuice. He's obsessed with those cockroaches. Delicious cupcakes should certainly be unusual. I'm going to make a cupcake burger. And here are some fries. I think she'll love it. Wow! Goodness! There's a cockroach again! Oh, why does it smell like chocolate? Whoa! That was a cake! Cool! Ooh, funny cupcakes. Let's give them a try. I love them! What's a burger doing here? That's a masterpiece from the chef! Wow! This is the winner! Oh, yes! Merci beaucoup! What's in there? I want spaghetti with meatballs! Yay! Do it, please!
That's not a problem for a professional. Taking eggs, adding them to flour, and kneading a thick dough. Next, we roll it out. Using a special device, we are getting our spaghetti. Now we need to cut the tomatoes. Some cheese. Let's grate it! Now time to fry everything up! Sprinkling cheese on top. A bit of greenery and the masterpiece is ready. Yes, girls, I'm very cool. Oh, wait a minute. I need to make something too. Taking carrots and chopping them. Then onions and broccoli. Perfect. Let's prepare everything. Now the noodles and stir everything. My spaghetti will be multicolored. Wow! Check this out!
What an interesting game! I can't tear myself away! Download the Beetlejuice sword game on Google and Apple Store.
Cool! We have a task.
Oh, yeah, okay. Let's take some bulldog noodles and brew it in boiling water. Yep, I'll do it now. There we go. I'm almost done.
We've been waiting for a long time.
It's coming soon. Here are some chopsticks and I'm ready.
Unbelievable.
Wow! So beautiful! Interesting. Well, it's kind of primitive, but okay, let's start with it. Well, it's just noodles. Not really my thing. Moving on. Let's have some multicolored noodles. I'll start with the green one. Oh, what is that smell? What kind of filth is this? It's impossible to eat. Well, time for the third dish. It no longer inspires confidence. But it smells delicious. I'll definitely try it. It's very tasty! Wow! Zach has won!
Oh yeah! I am cool!
Wow! I want pudding! Or jelly. Something like that.
Are you sure? I can do that. Let's take water and gelatin and mix it all up. Stirring, stirring, stirring. Next, we need fruits. I will cut some strawberries, kiwi, and lemon. Next, putting it into my mold. Adding water with gelatin. And let's wait for it to freeze. Oh, wow! Just look at this beautiful dish. I'm proud of myself. Really? A professional chef is taking over the case. I'm filling the cups with gelatin and adding some dyes. Mixing it thoroughly. Incredible! Next, I'm taking a square shape and pouring layers into it. Perfect! Now, I'm gonna make a shape out of it. A beautiful one, like a bear.
Wow! That's really cool! But what should I come up with? An idea! Here it is! My jelly bears! They're so cute! Ooh! The more, the better! Hello, cuties! I'll lick you and glue you together! The perfect couple! I'm gonna make more of this! Wow!
What?
Here! I got a teddy bear! It's beautiful, isn't it?
I'm gonna be sick!
Wow! That is awesome! And what is this? Some kind of a sticky mess! Abomination! Definitely not! But I'll try this, bear! Come to me, my darling! It's delicious! Great! That's a miracle! Moving on! I'll definitely try this one! Let's give it a bite! This is so good! Amazing! Yum, yum, yum! Grandma wins!
I've won? Hooray! Congratulations!
What is there? I want a delicious popsicle or ice cream.
I can do that! Taking all of the ingredients. I need some cream and whisking it up. I need it to become dense. Next, we need Henry's white chocolate. Adding it to the cream and mixing it. Now, time for some cookies. I'm gonna crumble it into crumbs. Next, our cream. And adding cookies on top. But first, let's spread it all out. The finishing touches. Oh, what about delicious berries? I'm gonna cut these strawberries and put them right on top. Well, that's the dessert I got. Wow, look at that. I'm gonna use Kinder Eggs. Next, some cream, some starch, and turning everything into a single mass. With some professional movements, of course. Nice, nice, nice. Sprinkling chocolate on top. And now, let's roll it up. Nice! What about some syrup? We definitely need toppings. Ooh, a hint of gold. Huh, definitely a masterpiece.
Mine is gonna be cool too. Let's do this! I'll take Oreos and smash it! Look, we've got crumbs now! Pouring cream right into the package, inserting a stick, and freezing it. Wow! It's done! It turned out great! Let's dip it into Nutella! Whoa! It's like real ice cream! Well, everything is clear. I'm doing great! Everything is ready! Everything is awesome! That's where I'll start. Here's my spoon. Putting it into my mouth. Delicious! I like it. Moving on to these ice cream rolls. They look beautiful. But the flavor is so-so. Moving on. The spoon is no longer needed. Ooh, ice cream on a stick. Let's try it. Wait, it's delicious. Here's the second one. I'll eat everything. Lindsay wins. I've won? Finally! My ice cream is the most delicious one.